about where I was going.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Whew. Hot. So, the last day, got our bikes out of the shed and we'll be on our way. Off we go. I'm here.
Go straight, sort of that way.
Okay. They've moved all the signs. Yeah. Stationary. Suddenly got confused about where I was going. And now we reach another national trail, South Downs Way. This is gonna hurt. A load of different poppies. Stopping at this country park to use their facilities. Oh, I walked down this with some people.
Oh, right, okay.
Right, I remember this. All the way up over that ridge. If you look in the distance, you can see the sea, I think. Still doing large chunks of the South Downs Way. There we go. All Sean. Sean the sheep. Thank you. Morning, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Coming past the Sustainability Centre. This is where I pitched my tent. Day one, South Downs Way. This is the Sustainability Centre. I pitched my tent through that path. And I had my breakfast on that bench. contraption to stop vehicles. I don't quite see how it stops motorbikes. Just go around the corner. But South Downs Way. The last day. South Downs Way. Making our way to Winchester. Oh, cumulative tiredness. Oh well, let's see where the day takes us. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Oh, I remember this. Drinking water tap. Absolutely fantastic. A typical view on the South Downs. Rolling hills and then a farm. Come across this site again, memorial to some planes that crashed as part of the D-Day preparations. Oh, relentless up. One of the signs for the South Downs Way, if you look closely, it says temporary route. But they're so weathered, it must have been a temporary route for a decade or more. Sometimes you just need a moment to stop and look at your view. I remember this place when I first came through. It's not too far from Winchester, but they have a cafe. You have a lot of these gates on the South Downs Way. Hey. $10k from the finish and I get another puncture. There we go. Coming towards the end. At some point we should be able to see Winchester. And that will be the end of our 360 kilometre circuit. And there is Winchester, our finish point. Into the last 2 kilometres. It's been a tiring experience. Fantastic differences in landscape and terrain. But I think I'm an animal born to walk, not born to cycle.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.